Welcome back, everybody, to Smoke Fire Barbecue's YouTube channel. Forgot the name for a second. It's been too long. We have today. Well, I tell you what. Why don't you start making it, and I'll talk, so it's not like me talking too much. Actually, hang on. Let's let our dog stop drinking his water. As I was saying, now he's eating his dinner. Yeah, okay. He's fine. Okay. This is a recipe that I used when I was working at the burger joint when I was in college. It was like more of like a car themed burger joint. So this burger, or whatever you want to call it, it was called the fuel injection because it's a patty with some bun and smothered with chili. Can't wait. So I wanted to do that today. So I made mine on camera. In the intro, I wanted my sous chef to make hers now, and we'll see what she wants to have all on it. So take it away, kiddo. You don't have to tell them what you're doing. You can just do it.
I will take patty.
Well, I can put it on if you want. Or do you want to do it? Okay. So what you want to do is the patty on top of the bottom bun.
The whole one.
Yep. And then what we did at the restaurant. We slit the top bun in half, and then propped them up against the sides, like a house, or what have you. And then we got the soup of the day. Not soup of the day. We had the soup of the day, and we had the chili. I always had the chili sitting there just stewing away. So I kind of have the same thing here. This is not meant to be a chili video. This was canned chili from the store. Emphasize that canned chili from the store. Do not. I might eat my words here with this canned chili. We have recipes for good chili. This is not it. So I'm gonna pour it on.
Or it looks like refried beans.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
The school's refried beans.
Yeah.
Beans.
Well, there you go. And I'm gonna put this over here out of the way so it's not taking up too much space. Editing Brian here. In this video, I look extremely tired. I contribute all that to our new addition to this family, which was highlighted in a video or two ago. Go and check that out and you'll see why. Alright, we let the dog, Beignet, finish his dinner so we wouldn't have to hear that on camera. So now you have a choice here. Would you like cheddar cheese and would you like any cut up onions?
No.
Right, that's all for us. So whatever you don't want is probably gonna be tossed. Might take some more actually. Any onions? Or are you good? Okay. Make sure there's out of shot. Let's eat. What do you think? And I guess you could, if a different recipe or a different version of this would be just to pour the chili on top of the burger, and then the top bun on top of that. You can actually make it eat like a sandwich. Again, it'd be super messy, but you could do that. If you don't want to eat with a fork.
I like the cheese on top. It adds a nice little.
It really brings the flavor. So it makes it. This isn't spicy chili. I feel like the cheese would help calm down a spicier chili if you went down that path. And the onions, I know most people don't. Some people don't like onions on their burger, especially raw onions. I think it also adds a different level of flavor to it, and it increases the wow factor when you're taking a bite when you get those raw onions in there. It's really good. Now, I'm not going to eat the rest of it on camera because who does that? I am happy with how this turned out. It was like a spur of the moment kind of video. I think a couple days ago, like, hey, talk to the wife. Hey, well, what about doing one of these burgers that we used to make at the restaurant? That's pretty good. Any questions about this one or any other videos we have done in the past? Please let us know. Anything else to say, sous chef? before we go?
Nope.
All right. Until next time. All right. Until next time.
Keep barbecuing, America.
Cheers. Oh, I'm sorry. You didn't have a drink.
Oh, I didn't.
Fail. I'm sorry. You can go get a LaCroix.
Corey. Crocs.
Cheers.